Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to implement search filter functionality in React.js application. So in my previous video I already show you how to sorting and pagination and CRUD application. So it's already running over here. So you can see over here. So 1, 2 pagination and you can like sorting as well. So now I'm going to add the search functionality over here. When you search, it works with the title and body. So let me go here to my VS Code editor, and now I'm going to add like React search. Okay, just design, and now let me go back here. You can see that there is a search by title and body, and when I'm type something, it should be filtered with the title and body, so it should work like that. Okay, so let me go to first Node.js application. You can see that, and Node.js server.js. First in this, what I'm going to do, go to the post index, and here at the end I'm going to pass another parameter in query. So like this, search equal to jax, for example. Okay, by default I'm going to pass, and now I'm going to get over here. Okay, so let me go and just I am define new variable called const search, and I will get the search from the request dot query dot search. Okay, and if there is nothing then we are going to set the empty string. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create new variable called const, okay, search term. Okay, so why I'm going to create this search term variable over here, because I don't require to write multiple time this term. Okay, like this search. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so we define like how to get the search, and then we are getting the like we are defined the search term. So these terms we are going to use in query, because right now you can see that there is a count query and there is a very simple, but what we need to do here, I'm going to add one condition, and that condition is if I go and just call search is not equal to empty, so that means we need to add a query with the where condition. Okay, so just I'm going to define with the let not const save, so I can change it. So here I'm going to just copy this, and at the end I'm going to add where condition over here, where title like question mark. Okay, or body like question mark. Okay, something like this query we have implemented. Same way I need to do for data query, because counter and data both should have implemented where condition. So just copy this what we have over here and just paste it after the post, save it. Okay, and now if I go here, first count query, when we have a search, at that time we need to pass two parameters. You can see that there is a title question mark and body question mark. So this question mark, that means we need to add search terms. Okay, so how can I do this? Just go here and I will just call search is not equal to this, sorry, equal to this, search not equal to empty. So that means we need to pass search term. Okay, like this, search term comma search term. Okay, and yeah, at the end should be the empty. Okay, something like this we need to pass. Okay, and same way we need to pass, you can see over here there is a limit and offset. By default we are passing for the data query. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create new variable over here called let and params. Okay, and this I'm going to add, by default this is the array, save it, and this array I'm going to pass over here. Okay, so just copy this, paste it. Okay, now by default limit and offset, but if we have a search in the query string, then what I'm going to do, just like this, because same way we need to 2 times pass search term over here like this. Okay, and then limit and offset like this, save it. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. Now let me go here and you can see if I refresh it, it's nothing, because let me go and yeah, we need to keep running React app, but we need to restart the Node.js app. Okay, so let me go here and refresh it. You can see that there is only one record over here, because now let me go to the code. I already passed the ajax over here static, so that's the reason it's filtered properly. But now for example, if I pass the CRUD, save it, you can see that there is a 2 records coming over here. So that means our Node.js API is working fine. So now I'm going to implement this. When I'm going to change, then it should be instant filter it. Okay, so let me go here and I'm going to define new variable over here that's called const search, and then I will call search, and I will just use state, okay, and make it empty by default, okay. And then I'm going to just pass as a new argument called search, okay, and here not static, but I'm going to pass dollar like this dynamic, okay, and just save it. You can see all the records by default coming. Now let me bind with this input, okay. So let me go here, and we already created design over here, so just I'm call value that's called search, and on change event, okay, I'm going to call one function, okay, on change, okay, and handle search change, okay, something like this. And then let me create new function over here like this, const equal to e, by default we are getting. Then what I'm going to do, so yeah, let me fix this, yeah, set search value, okay. So how can I get the search value? E dot target dot value, okay, and when you change anything then page should be redirected to the page 1. So I'm going to just call page 1 like this, okay, because otherwise if you are moving on 5th or 6th page, then you search it, so it should be redirect on the first page, okay, because when you filter the record at that time you don't have a more record. So that's the reason I'm going to set page 1 to back, okay. Just save it, okay. And now let me go, and I'm going to just type example. You can see that if I just type crude, you can see over here, if I say your app, if I say JS, you can see that. So that means if I go and node, so that means with the title same way, if I say just body, so it will work with the body as well. You can see over here, okay. If I say first body, then it will work, okay. So that means this is very simple and basic search functionality, so you can implement with Node.js and React.js application. If you like this video, then don't forget to share with your friends, and like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video, guys.